Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to make fish fry today. I just got 4 pieces of catfish, boneless, skinless steaks. So I make this fish fry without much oil, just a teaspoon oil is enough. Now I put a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2/4 teaspoons, which is a half teaspoon of chili powder. This is up to you how much you want to put it. You don't have to put that much if you can't eat that much spicy. Even the salt goes almost equally, but we usually eat less salt. I accidentally put more salt today, but you can reduce the salt. Actually, if the chili powder is a half a teaspoon, you can have salt less than half a teaspoon. The plate I'm showing is is cumin seeds, a teaspoon of cumin seeds and teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Usually this is optional, but if you have it, it is health wise it is good for your health, and also it is taste also makes a little difference. Tastes good and smells good. But what I did with cumin and fenugreek seeds, I just dry roasted them and grinded into a powder. So I used olive oil here, a teaspoon. I just sprinkled it on there and when you cumin and fenugreek seeds, when you dry roast them in the pan and make into a powder in a coffee grinder or something, and you take about a half a teaspoon for this 4 pieces, that's more than enough. You don't need to take all of it. So I actually keep it all the time ready with me, that powder. So whenever I make some items, I need that. So I'm placing these fish pieces on in there like I'm supposed to. Actually, it is, I always do it on the corners. I don't put it in the middle. I accidentally put one in the middle, which I changed it later. You don't see that in the video, but I moved it back to the corner. So I cook them in low flame, very low flame, lowest flame. But because of that, like the flame is in the middle and evenly passed to all the corners. If I put one inside in the middle, that will cook faster than others. It's not supposed to cook fast. It's supposed to cook slowly and well all the way inside. So when you're cooking on this side, one side first side, it is going to take a longer time, 10 to 12 minutes. It took 12 minutes for me here. And then I turn it over. When you flip on the other side, it won't take that long because it's already cooked, most of it. And also pan is also hot. So this side you cook half the time what it took on the other side. The cooking time is basically on your how thick the fish is, how big the fish is, how many fish you're putting, how big your pan is on all those. So because you don't touch them until like 5 to 10 minutes, because if you do disturb it, it will break on the bottom. So cook it slowly, let it cook. Just peek through under if it is cooked, then flip it over. So now they cooked on both sides very well. So I'm taking it out. You can eat it with rice or anything. Like you can eat it as a sandwich in between bread slices, or just eat it like that as an appetizer, or you can eat it with some vegetables as a lunch or a dinner or something, with some other side items. So this is a very tasty fish fry and very easy. You can do it in no time. So I hope you like it. And one more thing I forgot. You can squeeze in some lemon juice on the top, lemon or lime juice, whichever you like the taste. I didn't use any today, but some people like the taste of that lemon flavor. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe. I will be posting more videos. Thank you.